Good morning. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your service airbag light if you've got a defective seatbelt pretensioner or anchor pretensioner in a Vauxhall Corsa or another similar vehicle. Now of course you need to replace those defective items, but this will temporarily turn off your airbag light for you. So in this case, we're looking at the anchor pretensioner. Okay, so we've disconnected the plug. Now to do this properly, you'll need one of these pieces of equipment, and this will measure which resistor you need to be using. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can buy one of these units. Okay, so you can see a fault here to the driver's seatbelt anchor pretensioner. And that's just one fault on the vehicle. Okay, so we've connected our tool, the probes, into the plug, and I've dialed up 2.2 ohms. Okay, I just know from experience that that's the value that we need to look for. Okay, so 2.2 ohms. Now we're going to go back to the top down. Okay, so I've cleared the codes, and at 2.2 ohms there are no errors shown any longer. So what we need to do now is fit a resistor in line at 2.2 ohms. Okay, so I've rescanned with the top dom, and as you can see, no errors are showing any longer. So now I need to find a resistor at 2.2 ohms and connect that into the system. There you go, and I've put a resistor in place, and the value of that resistor is 2.2 ohms. Let's go back to the top dom. Rescanning the system. There we go, 2.2 ohms and no errors at all showing. And there you go. So that's how to turn off the seatbelt warning light. And there you go, it's off with the use of a resistor.